So first things, you got this enormous closet. Welcome to our junior suite. So we're gonna give you guys a tour of the Hyatt Las Pines Junior Suite. You're a little surprised at how big this was. So we were a family of 5, and we tried to book a room for a family of 4, but because of the fire marshal stuff, they would not let us do it. Even though as a toddler she sleeps with us, so this is the next size room we went. So come on in this tour. So first thing, you get this enormous closet. Great for storing all our luggage. You get a little safe for lots of doors and just like space. Comes with an iron, hair dryer, toiletries. You get lotion and soaps, and then they also have toiletries in there. So normal bathroom, great tub for bathing the kids. Because obviously it doesn't have a curtain, so it's just for baths. Yeah, you know. Nice to do your business. Little door. Ooh. What's cool is that then we have a king size. Now we did think there were 2 beds, but we have our own bedroom right now, which is kind of nice because our kids just like to go to sleep more than falls asleep. We can close the door early. We can also we got to watch TV. So king size bed. Again, storage on each side. Something I like. I know this is so slight, but I don't know if you can. But there's actually like almost on the bed. So if we have to get up or we have toddlers having to go potty in the middle of the night, I like that. So I thought that's a really cool thing. We're on the first floor, so we don't have a balcony. It goes right out with the chairs. Enormous TV or something like that. So that was great. And I like how right when you come in, you have like a little area to put stuff. So great for your mask because we're in quarantine COVID area. Books and keys and all that stuff. And you come out here and it's definitely like a little TV area, family area, you can watch TV. I like it because it just gives us privacy. What we figured out, so we're not sure if we were all supposed to sleep, because this was just going to result in somebody falling off, is that this goes out to the bed. So we would show you what that does. Little signs. The only things that we're going to have to call, because they only gave us 1 small blanket and 1 little pillow. And that's just not for each pillow. So, we will show you what that looks like once we're written off. I do, even with the toddlers, I love the decoration. I'm going to what, like a Texas. Yeah, Texas, rustic. What makes you feel, especially because this is a staycation, you can tell we've been in the car for a little bit. This is a staycation. We feel like we're somewhere different, you know, even with the different light fixtures and everything. So I love that. Great king size for our family of 5, from toddler of 2 to adults. I mean, these are really nice, and they're sturdy and easy to clean. So I love it. The kids have already played on it, so that's great. Out here. So this goes to the first floor, but out here we'll show you in the morning. We did look out, and I think there's 2 chairs and a little table. So great for the morning because we already saw deer when we pulled up. So that'll be really nice. There's the other people in their room, so we're just gonna close that for now.
On the technical side, they actually have USB outlets, so you don't have to have the wall charger, which is pretty cool.
And I was so tempted to bring my own coffee, but I wasn't sure if they would have a Keurig, but they do. I think almost everybody does now. So, coffees, teas, amenities, waters. You get your own refrigerator, which I like, and then you have more storage spaces. So again, great, and I like the counter space. As you can see, we have a bunch of stuff. And then an extra mirror to get ready maybe in the morning. So, I mean, and Harrison, you can't even hear him.